If you guys have Norditrack treadmill and it has been having any of these symptoms, like when you turn on the fan, the tread stops working and then starts back again, screen freezing, getting disconnected from internet, all of these various symptoms can be fixed by one thing, and that is this cable. I think that's the Achilles heel. You just remove this part, and then in the original one, there is 8 wires which are connected with the pin. What I have done is I just snapped off the original connector, and then each wire I used these crimp cables and connected directly. After I did this, all those symptoms and problems have went away completely. The treadmill works flawlessly. So good luck with that.